नमस्कार, तुम्ही पळयतात आरडेक्स गोवाच्यो अपडेट खबरो. रापणकारांनी LED लायट, चायना हाय स्पीड बोट नुस्तेमारी वेवसाया आड सुरू केल्ले मांडवी न्हंयत होडयो ट्रॉलर नांगरून जेटी जाम आंदोलन सुरू केला. जेटी जाम केल्ले खातीर गोंयांतलो कसिनो वेवसाय 2 दिसां सावन बंद आसा. 2 दीस कसिनो बंद आशिल्ल्यान कसिनो धन्यांचे मोठ्या प्रमाणात नुकसान जालां. शिवाय गोंयांत आयिल्ले पर्यटकय परते गेल्यात. तांकां कसिनो धन्यांक नुकसाण भरपाय दिवची पडल्या. आमी दर दिसा प्रमाणात सरकाराक कराच्या रुपान पैसे फारीक करतात, मात आतां आमकां ही नुकसान भरपाय कोण भरून दितलो अशें कसिनो उद्योगाचे संचालक श्रीनिवास नायक हांणी म्हणलां. आमी तांच्या फोनावेल्यान घेतिल्ल्या मुलाखतींत तांणी ही म्हायती दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
First and foremost, we are with the fisher people. We believe that their cause is genuine, and that needs to be addressed immediately. However, having said and done, presently what they have done is since yesterday they have stopped the feeder boat movement of our ships, and they have forcefully occupied our jetty. And they have also forcefully occupied our feeder boats also, and our staff over there are being abused with filthy language, which is very uncalled for. And by doing this, they have stopped our operations since yesterday. Whereas we are paying 8 lakh rupees per day license fees to the government, and our running expenses are about 15 lakhs per day. Who is going to reimburse this money to us? Moreover, the tourists who today night were entered the ship were not allowed to be removed. I mean, they wanted to go come out, but they were not allowed, because of which so many people missed their flights. We had to compensate them. Goa is a tourist destination, and with all these kind of things, harassing tourists will bring a bad name for Goa. They are not, tourists are not bothered about whose causes they are, but in causing any inconvenience to the tourists is very bad. It will bring bad image to the Goa.
And sir, तुमका
they should have given at least notice. They could have evacuated the tourists. Even our staff who are working for, who are inside for more than 15 hours, were not let come out. And staff are also human beings, and we have to treat them. So we had a lot of difficulty to remove. Almost 2 weeks, and so far absolutely no breakthrough, and our operation is stopped for no fault of ours.
ओके सर, पण तुमका आता इतले तुम्ही हाय फीस गव्हर्नमेंटाक भरता न्ही, सो तुमका कितली नुकसान जाला आता ते 2 दिसां मधला?
आता 2 दिवस झाले नाही, आता दिसा 15 लाखा लागान 30 लाख रुपये नुकसान झालं. मग आता कोण भरतलो? पे will government reimburse? Will these Rampons pay this money? If tomorrow we have an issue with the government, if we stop all fishing activities, how would they feel?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello.